Hello to all fellow investors and welcome to the very first video on what will become one of the greatest crypto channels on YouTube of all time. I appreciate you clicking on this video and being among one of the very first to join this channel. Being that we are a brand new channel, I would appreciate the support if you could leave a like and a subscribe. I'll be posting as many crypto gems as I can possibly find on as many days as I possibly can each week, so be sure to subscribe. I'll be giving a brief overview and an in-depth analysis of high quality, highly undervalued crypto tokens which might just make you rich. Today we are going to be looking at one of my personal favorites, Propy. I would like to say before we get into this, guys, that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. However, I did make a boatload of money off of Propy in the last phase of the bull run, and I intend to in the next phase also. When we look at Propy on CoinMarketCap, we can see that in the past, whilst it has consolidated at lows at times, it gets very explosive during bull runs. In the last phase of the run, I bought at approximately 22 cents. And I held it all the way to $4, and I'm still holding some now, and I will be accumulating more now. And I recommend that you take a good look into Propy also. Propy make buying and selling homes faster, easier and more secure, powered by Web3 technology. I would like to say, guys, that there are a lot of cryptos out there which are based solely around ideas. What could happen, what they might do. Propy is not one of those cryptos. Propy has already processed 4 billion in transactions. Propy already has listings, features as NFTs, and properties being purchased with crypto as we speak on the blockchain. Propy is the real deal. When we take a look at this, guys, we can see that Propy awarded as technology pioneer by World Economic Forum. Propy and its fellow pioneers are developing technologies that can help society solve some of its most pressing issues. We look forward to their contribution to the World Economic Forum in its commitment to improving the state of the world. Susan Nesbitt, head of the Global Innovators Community, WEF. Essentially what this is, guys, is real estate purchasing without the middleman. The middleman is crypto, smart contracts writing in your ownership into the purchase. We believe in a world where barriers to real estate ownership are removed. Here they are on BBC World News. Propy, a company supported by Silicon Valley leaders and the National Association of Realtors, is revolutionizing the real estate industry by deploying a novel technology. The CEO of Propy, Natalie Karyaneva, I don't know how to pronounce that, guys, I do apologize. I was frustrated with how time-consuming and rife with fraud real estate transactions were. Propy was built with the vision to automate the real estate sales process. The Palo Alto-based company, I don't know how to pronounce that either, guys. Based company is writing new pages in real estate history by introducing the technology to allow entirely online and self-driving real estate transactions on smart contracts. This is real utility, guys. Real utility. And not only that, it has price action to reflect. $5 in the 2018 bull run. All the way from 23. We are currently sat at 86 cents right now, with an all-time high of $5. But guys, when you look at some of the other cryptos, do you tell me that this couldn't be a three-figure token? Cryptos based on ideas, solving minor issues. This is bringing real estate onto the blockchain, into the crypto atmosphere. Imagine next time you go to buy a property, let's say in 1 to 3 years, instead of going into your estate agents or typing in an estate agent online, you just click on the Propy and you buy the property there and then with a crypto transaction. Seamless, instant. Self-driving transactions for brokerage agents, home buyers and sellers. We are automating the closing process for all participants to make closing faster, easier and more secure. Our products help brokers, agents and title companies migrate to paperless remote closing. Supported by the best Advisors of Propy. Our advisors are some of the most smartest people in the real estate, technology and investment world. We have Michael Arrington from TechCrunch, Daniel Kottke from Apple, Barry Enderwick, Netflix, Bruce Carhan, CEO and co-founder of Urban Logic. These guys have serious backing, guys. These guys have been in the media. These guys are doing real things in the real world, taking crypto way past the realm of magic, internet, money, as some like to call it. When we look on the chart, Propy has been falling for quite some time. This is the Coinbase chart, so it only goes back to January when it was listed. I believe Propy could be a three-figure coin in the near future. But at the very least, I believe it will turn to its previous high price of $4. Propy is on my agenda, guys, and it should be on yours too. I'm holding my Propy. I'm accumulating more Propy at these prices. If you look down here, you can see the markets where you can buy Propy. As I've said, guys, I provide brief overviews of these crypto tokens to put them on your radar and fairly in-depth chart analysis, though there isn't much to analyze on this chart right now because it hasn't started picking up yet. It's for you to do your own research, guys, and see if this is a token which you want in your portfolio. But I would 100% recommend checking it out. That is all for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe to the channel as I will be posting as regularly as I possibly can, providing you with crypto gems in the hopes of making you rich, in the hopes of you retiring early. I will also be posting ways to compound your gains, to earn interest on your crypto, and to live off of passive income from your crypto. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Please do hit that like and subscribe and turn notifications on so you're alerted every time I post a highly undervalued crypto token. As we go into this next phase of the bull run, as things start to pick up, you're going to want to be fast to them, as these things can just go so fast and you would not want to miss out. Thank you for your time, guys, today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you subscribe to the channel.